This is the process you need to follow to link your Google Calendar with the spaces you have added to our platform so that it ensures your internal bookings and the bookings coming through MillionSpaces don't clash. So you need to log in with your credentials. Then navigate to Manage My Spaces section. Over here, you'll be able to see a list of the spaces that you have added onto our platform. And you can select the space where you want to sync the Google Calendar. I'm gonna select this space. Click on Manage Calendar and then Calendar Sync. You can select the account you want to sync. Here you will see a list of the calendars that are on your account. I'm going to select this calendar, assign to this space, assign. Your Google Calendar and create an event. So I'm going to create an event on the 20th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. I'll name it as test and save. So you can refresh and you can see over here on the 20th, an event has been created from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So this is how it will be shown on our platform. This is the space I linked the Google Calendar with. Normally there are 4 time slots available in this space. I'll select the 20th because I have put the event on the 20th. And now you can see one time slot won't be shown because it's from 10 to 12. I have put the booking from 10 to 12. So that time slot won't be shown over here. But the other days, you can see the 10 to 12 time slot.